Greetings. I have some bad news. I've injured my finger. I'm sorry about that, yes. I'm sorry, the finger is not my choosing. But I've got, actually 2 fingers. I've got a bandage wrapped around my finger. 손가락 둘레 bandage. Yeah, I've got a bandage wrapped around my finger. It's a very unfortunate finger, I'm sure you can see. I'm not joking. Anyway, I've got a bandage wrapped around my finger. Wrapped around, like a 포장된. Yeah, I've got a bandage wrapped around my finger because I've injured my finger. I've injured my finger. Yeah. Sometimes we say to a baby, "Oh, 아야 했어, 아야 했어." Do you have a boo-boo? Do you have a boo-boo? Yeah, I've got several boo-boos. Got a boo-boo here, got a boo-boo here. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I've injured my finger, so I've got a bandage wrapped around it. And it feels like a boo-boo. Yeah, anyway, stay safe. Talk to you later.